Welcome to HPC's Fire-Inspired webinar series. The first one in the series will focus on gas fire pit safety, CSA certified and NFI certified, and what those mean to you, the end user, dealer, manufacturer. Safety. HPC's commitment to safety is second to none. Choosing HPC gets you the benefit of the most innovative and safest products on the market. Here at HPC, we have over 400 CSA certified products with a full team of NFI certified technicians here to support your design, install, and troubleshoot any issues that you might have. Safety with gas fire pits. Gas fire pits add so much to outdoor environments, whether it's in a residential or commercial application. The fire pit becomes an irresistible focal point of its environment, and it allows users to take advantage of outdoor spaces for more hours in the day and more days in the year. There are a few things to consider when planning to add a fire pit to your setting. Fire pit size, shape, BTU output, ignition system, and more. All of these variables can be discussed with a landscape architect or installation professional to ensure you have the right fire pit for your intended use. All of these pros will recommend that the fire pit insert you choose meets critical safety and performance standards. Here are a couple typical safety checks when dealing with your gas fire pit. Again, installed by a licensed professional to meet local codes and inspections. You'll want to shut off the manual gas valve when the unit's not in use. Supply to the enclosure must have an approved shutoff valve and must be located where it can easily be accessed. In electronic models, you want to shut off the electric when not in use. Also, electrical connection should be through a GFCI outlet controlled by a wall switch or a breaker. And you should visually inspect each unit before use to make sure it is clean and free of debris. What is CSA? Gas fire pits by nature can pose serious hazards to users. That is why the Canadian Standards Association, CSA, and the American National Standard Institute, ANSI, published the harmonized standard of CSA 241-2014, ANSI 2197-2014 for outdoor decorative gas appliances. This standard is intended to ensure that a fire pit has been thoroughly tested by an accredited testing laboratory to meet specified safety and performance requirements. CSA is the most qualified and well-known certifying body for fuel-powered appliances. Why is CSA certification important? Fire pits that are tested to and meet the standard can wear the symbol of the testing organization certified that indeed the fire pit meets the standard. As you can see, here is the CSA logo. When a fire pit is tested by either CSA or UL and is certified to meet the standard, you can be assured that it will live up to the safety and performance promises of the manufacturer. CSA certification provides dealer, consumer, and inspector confidence. CSA certification versus models that are tested in compliance with. The biggest question we often hear is, does my fire pit need to be CSA certified? Or can I get away with tested in compliance with? The basic, most fundamental answer that we can give is yes, your unit should be CSA certified as opposed to tested in compliance with. And here's why. A fire pit that has not been properly tested and certified may pose a greater risk of malfunctioning, causing harm and/or death to users and their guests. Another possible scenario is when a non-certified fire pit malfunctions and causes damage to the user's property or surrounding property. Most insurance companies will likely deny the claim due to use of the faulty non-certified appliance, shifting the burden of out-of-pocket cost to the owner of the fire pit. These are just some of the examples of why your unit should be CSA certified versus tested in compliance with. Again, HPC has over 400 models available with CSA certification. And as you can see, here's a couple of the examples. The Penta burner, round rings, linear burners, H burners, bowls, flats, troughs, rectangle inserts, electronic ignition, manual spark ignition, match lit inserts, and the Evolution 360 water pit series, to name a few. What is NFI? The National Fireplace Institute, NFI, is the professional certification division of the Hearth, Patio, and Barbecue Education Foundation, HPBEF, a nonprofit educational organization for the hearth industry. NFI's objective is to increase public safety by establishing meaningful credentials for professionals involved in planning and installing residential hearth applications and venting systems. What are the NFI certified benefits? Building officials prefer to work with certified contractors who have demonstrated their commitment to professional excellence. Manufacturers prefer qualified installers because they know their products are more likely to be installed correctly. Consumers feel more confident hiring certified specialists because of their experience and knowledge. HPC has a full team of NFI certified technicians to support these builders, manufacturers, and consumers. Why NFI certified? Customers are demanding it. They have comfort in knowing well-trained technicians are properly planning, installing their hearth products and their venting systems. Manufacturers recommend it for their safety as well as the end user's safety. NFI certification is even recommended by the Environment Protection Agency, EPA. This is a good selling feature to some of your more environmentally friendly green customers, as well as it makes your employees more efficient. Those that are NFI certified show better job preparation and better abilities to learn and troubleshoot some of your end users' problems quicker. Being NFI certified is an excellent selling point to customers by giving them the extra comfort knowing that they are dealing with a technician and a retailer that is not just meeting their expectations but exceeding them. Thank you for the time on this first webinar from HPC. Again, this is the first in a long line of webinars we will be presenting to you. We're going to do this in a monthly format, so if you have a specific topic that you would like covered, feel free to email myself, Chad E, at hpcfire.com, and let me know what topics you guys would like covered. If you have any questions about the content in this webinar, feel free to reach out to me as well. My information is on the last slide here, and we look forward to any type of feedback that you guys can give to us. We look forward to putting these out there every month. Thank you.